Jacob Hayes, Team Babbitt's Monster Energy Kawasaki, left away with the general win at the AMSOIL Arenacross round at Intrust Bank Arena in Wichita, Kansas, April 7. Hayes and Chris Blow's, Rockford Fosgate Lube Honda, exchanged wins in the two headliners. However, it was Hayes besting the terrifically critical tie-breaking second race that landed him the general triumph. Blows drove all the way in the primary race, while Hayes pursued from behind. Hayes, in any case, went down and dropped 2 or 3 positions. He figured out how to get them back yet lost any shot he had of getting Blows. Hearts were turned around in the second race, with Hayes taking the early lead and Blows in close interest. The two ran nose-to-tail the entire race, with Hayes effectively shielding the main position for the general win. Third by and large went to Ryan Brees, Kawasaki, with 4.6 wraps sub. Daniel Herlin, 7.3, and Garrett Stock, 6.5, adjusted the best 5 generally speaking. With only 3 adjusts left in the 2018 title, Blows drives Hayes by only 1 point, 74-73. Herlin is third with 48 focuses, however directly behind him is Heath Harrison with 46 focuses. Ryan Brees keeps on ruling the Axe Lights West class. Brees has now won every one of the 3 races held up to this point. Isaac Teasdale, Kawasaki, was second and Kevin Mertz, KTM, was third.